Hello, lovely people. Welcome once again to the channel. This is SunsetDroneGh. Today, we are coming to you live from Berekum in the Bono Region of Ghana. This is the BP filling station that we are coming from, and that's the environment around the Berekum Thursday market. As you can see, it has been tiled and gutters has all been done nicely. The place is looking very nice and beautiful. As you can see from the drone shots that we are showing right now, this is a project under the World Bank. They are building these markets in our towns. Earlier I showed you one from Doma and Accra, which is almost done. This is Berekum's own, which is also done, and it's just beautiful. As you can see, the road around that portion of area, that's the continental or the BP area, has all been tiled, leading to the market. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I will entreat you to click on the red subscribe button to become part of this family. Please do well to like, comment, and share this video for others to watch. It's just a beautiful scene. As you can see from the drone shots, we are taking you around on the tour in the area for you to see what's actually going on in Berekum. Berekum is a very nice and beautiful town in the Bono region, and you love this town. The people in this town, as I always say, are very industrious. They like to work, and majority of the people are business people who own their own shops. The women are particularly into trading. They like to trade a lot. So as you can see, there is a second market, which is not even the main market for the town, and it's even filled up. The shots will show you that a lot of people are working in this market. And when it comes to Thursdays, this place is one of the busiest places you can find in Ghana, and the sales and everything goes on very well. So this is the stretch of which passes from the market. You join the main Pentecost church, the Central Pentecost Church Road. That's where we are going right now. All the stores that we have on our left are being occupied, and people are doing businesses there each and every day from Monday to Sunday. On the right to the same thing, individual stores. For the left is the government or like the municipal assembly operates that shops. And I can tell you, if you are a business person who is someone, or you are someone who like to do business, you come to Berekum, you will never regret it. Berekum is very industrious. The people in the town are very, very much industrious. They like to work, and you will love the place. They are very lovely, very hospitable, and it's one of the nicest towns we have in Ghana. This is the golden city of Ghana. This is where, as I always say, I was born, and I love this town. I always love to come back here, even wherever I am. I'm actually always wanting to come back here because it's a very beautiful and nice town. And where you are seeing right now is the stretch that leads to the Pentecost Church. Where you are heading is to the main road that leads to Berekum Trouble Main Road. That's where we are heading right now. This station or these facilities that they have built here contains a fire station, a police station, an ambulance station, and then there are a lot of things that you can imagine that they have all been incorporated in this project. For Berekum's own, we have a daycare, we have a public toilet. Everything has been built. That has the lockable stores that you can see on your left. That's going to boost business. Then we have the the stands for the market women at the back nicely there, and everything is just in place. If you come here, you love what's going on here. It's just amazing. This is Berekum in the Bono region, the Golden City. That's how we call it. It's a very nice place. Berekum has produced great men for this country. Somebody like the former Electoral Commission boss in the person, or chairman in the person of Mr. Aferi. Jan is from Berekum. We have a lot great men in this country. That's the market that you are seeing over there. Even on a normal day, the place is very busy. It's just amazing. We have great men, Professor George Bene and Professor Bene, a lot of great men all coming from this town. If you read the history of Berekum, you love the town. We have great people. That's the Berekum Coronation Park in your shots, as you can see. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button to become part of the Sunset family. Thank you.